Ganitong tanawin next to your doorstep. Check. Flood safe, fault safe at highly elevated. Check. Complete turnover with roads, gutters, and underground drainage. Check. Ilan lang to sa offer natin dito sa Windmills Residences located sa Pililla, Rizal. We have an available 60 to 80 square meter farm residential lot as low as 5,179 monthly, zero interest pa. Ito nga pala yung top pick ko sa mga locations dito kasi mahangin at kaharap ng wind turbine. 250 square meter ang mga available lots dito. 11,416 per month, 10 years to pay, zero interest din. Ideal for backyard farming, retirement investment, and private camping sites. Have the comfort of growing your own food within your backyard and live a stress-free life while enjoying a perfect portrait windmills nature view. So ano pang inaantay mo? Schedule your viewing now. This is Tro, your real estate guide, and see you sa site tour mo.